Hello, welcome to this week's How To Tuesday. All right, we're gonna work in a mixed media piece, mixed media portrait, and I'm excited. But before we get started, let me give a big thank you to everybody who is here watching the video today. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're someone who's been here for a while, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for participating. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. If you have been curious or wondered what it's like to see a real-time, full-time one of these How To Tuesday videos, I have a Patreon channel and I'd be honored if you would go check it out. The link will be in the description box. It's a special one-on-one time for you and I to spend some quality art time together at least once a week. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity and I would be honored, like I said, if you would come check it out. Okay, so to get started, I have some gessos. I have my black and white gesso. This is Holbein acrylics and this is black gesso by Golden. Both are pretty sweet. I also have my Prima Complexion watercolor palette. Love this palette. Love it. The colors in this are fan-flippin-tastic. And I have a little scraper because I have plans to do some scraping with some of my paints here. And I also grabbed these little sample things. These are Fusion mineral paint. This is called Pressed Fern. This one is called Laurentine, and then this one is Renfrew Blue. These names are interesting. Okay, so those are the colors. They're like a mint blue, like a soft mint blue green. This is a turquoise, and then this is like a hunter green kind of. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I have my Neo Color 2 water soluble Caran d'Ache color crayons. And this one has 3 trays in here, and it's delicious and wonderful. And if you are not familiar with Neo Colors, they are very highly water soluble, but you do not have to activate them with any kind of wet medium water. The gessos that I have here, clear gesso, anything wet medium they activate, but you don't have to. You can use them like a crayon. And I have like 2 videos ago, if you're new to my channel, I did a whole lesson on how to use these just like a crayon, and it totally changed. I already love them, and it just made me like big juicy heart in love with them even more. So I would love for you to check that out. And I'm using today my 140 pound Fabriano hot press watercolor paper. This is 9 by 12, but I cut my sheet in half. And I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. And then I use my Pro Artist tape to tape it down. This is my Pro Artist tape, best tape I found out there that does the job that it requires, that needs to be done. And I have my heat gun to do some quick dries. It's up to you if you want to let it dry naturally or heat with the heat gun or hair dryer. I do the heat gun because of course I'm filming and I don't want for it to take forever. So, and that's it. Oh no, I lied. I have my Tombow Mononoke Zero Eraser. I have my Pentel Graph Gear 1000 0.3. This is what I'm going to draw out my portrait with. I also grabbed my Murado Black Warrior HB2 for some kind of some shading and shadow, because we're going to do some blending with the graphite. And I also have this is a blending stump, a dirty blending stump, number 3 apparently. And then this is my Uniball Signo white gel pen, and then I have a couple brushes. I have my size 6 Winsor Newton watercolor brush. You don't want to mix the watercolor with acrylic, a watercolor brush, because it'll ruin the brush. And then I just have a plain, this is an Oil Bright US, I don't even know. It's a number 6. I just grabbed it because it's just going to scrub. It's not anything special. Yeah, so those are those that I grabbed. I'm going to clean up and then we'll come back. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll get started. Bye.